sector, and especially when you talk about COVID cases and all, it might have hampered your business and all in a big way. How it has been for you? Is it totally?
Right now what we have done, as far as industry is concerned, we have our own testing facility we have done in Verna.
Correct.
Which caters to the entire industrial estates across to Goa. And we have also put a COVID center of our own. So if anybody is infected, he cannot take a home isolation. We are accommodating them free of cost in our COVID center, which is done under the CSR.
This is one of the first initiative in India which industry, rather than waiting for the government to take action, Verna Industries Association and GSI of their own initiative created a facility with the help of corporate. SmartLink also gave their entire facility free of cost. So all the corporates came together and they created, rather than burdening government. So this is one of the best gesture came from industry. Migrant labor issue also was dealt by Verna Industries Association in a big way. Looked after them. We did not wait for anyone from government to come and address them. We looked after all those people rather than creating it as a burden. Even the people who are not part of Verna Industries Association were agree. So it talks about how industry also is sensitized about the difficult situation and are also responding very well. Only our request is there are a lot of larger issues. Government should not burden industry or trade at this juncture. Rather, government should be sympathetic, understand that there is a problem. Rather than giving relaxations, there should not be any attempt to increase the fees and disturb this environment. That is the only request we have been constantly making and will continue chasing for resolution towards that. And
What would be your say on this delay payment charges which the power department has come up with?
Our
DPC
department has come out with a one-time settlement scheme. That is actually a very good scheme. So much of money is blocked. Electricity department is charging 18% interest for so many years. Even there were silly issues. And people dispute. And then there is a ego. This does not help anybody. There is a system of ombudsman also which was not functioning. So we, Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Manoj Kakulo had personally returned this to the government even during budget exercise and even subsequently even GSI had addressed this issue. We had also taken it up from Economic Revival Committee. We demanded that there should be one-time settlement scheme. 18% is simply not possible. So government has considered this and it is also benefit for the government because the revenue was blocked.
We have to understand one thing. Economy has to run. Health is important, but economy has to run, because if there is no economy, if there is no income for households, what is the use of your health? So I think with proper taking care of the health properly, all these activities have to start. But whether theatres in Goa will start or no will depend upon whether the films will get released and all that thing. But besides that, the other entertainment and tourism industry, people are coming to Goa, staying in hotels, restaurants have started, people have started going out. It is, I think, important that people should also try and come out to help the economy. If you don't go out and eat in a restaurant, somebody's job is not safe. So we have to take care of the jobs, otherwise restaurants will close, businesses will close and people will lose their jobs.
How it has been industrial sector in Goa? कसं चालतं मला?
Industrial sector in Goa has had the same problems जे देशभरपुढे झाल्या. It has been in Goa as well. We have had lot of problems. पण आता currently the market is slightly showing upward trends and थोडा improvement चालू असा. पण we wanted a lot of things, lot of help from the government. That is why आम्ही मुख्यमंत्र्यांक चीफ मिनिस्टर मेळपाक आयिल्ले. We are a joint representation of GSI, Goa Chamber as well as CII. And VIA, Verna Industries Association. We had sought time with the Chief Minister and we had given him lot of things that we require help for the industry from the government. And we are very happy that Chief Minister has given adequate time to us and made note of all our problems, listened to all our problems, and probably within the next 1 or 2 weeks we will be continuing this to see that all our problems are sorted out immediately.